Hi, I'm Gabi. In today's video, I'm gonna make strawberry tart. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. Crème pâtissier. 250 milliliters of whole milk, 2 egg yolks, 50 grams of caster sugar, 15 grams of plain flour, 5 grams of corn flour, half tablespoon of vanilla essence. I'm gonna place caster sugar, plain flour, corn flour, mix together, and set aside. I'm gonna pour whole milk, boil, pour little by little to not go lumpy, and stir. I'm gonna return to the saucepan, cook until thickened. And allow to cool. I'm gonna pour vanilla essence, stir, and fridge. Pâte Sucrée. I'm gonna place 250 grams of plain flour, 85 grams of icing sugar, a pinch of cooking salt, 125 grams of unsalted butter, and mix. I'm gonna place 1 egg yolk, pour 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, mix together until forming a homogeneous mixture. Wrap in cling film. And fridge until using. I'm gonna roll out the pâte sucrée that was in the fridge. Transfer to a tin. Prick with a fork. Cover with parchment paper. Place some raw beans. Bake in the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes and allow to cool. I'm gonna place the crème pâtissier that was in the fridge and decorate with strawberries.